Hi and welcome to this new Outlook video. Microsoft added a new option to the new Outlook, and the new option is to add space after and before the paragraph, which wasn't possible at the early versions of Outlook. Now, let me show you how we need to highlight the text or the image. Right now, you can see we have a space before it and we have a space after it, but it's not visible. And to remove it, we need to go to format text, or we can use from message, or we can do it from message here. And we have this option here in the middle, and we can remove, because now we have space before the paragraph or before the image. We can remove it. You can see it's gone now, and we can remove the space after the paragraph. It's good to have it, but the problem, I can't control it. So I can just add or remove. So there is no way to give a number to it, like 10 pixels or 10 points or whatever space that fits into our design. So I hope this is going to be possible in the future. And that's it for today. See you in another video.